Alright, today I have a custom livery here for a Infinity G35 2005. It's a custom livery. We're going to go with pink to match the little bumper delete they did here. And they want an Instagram logo across the side with a fade wrap. So this will be part one of the video. And in the next video, I'll do a print breakup. So what we're going to start with here is I already have the logo made, which is good for the Instagram. And what I'm going to do is to do a simple fade wrap. As you can see, the car is already black. I'm going to select my rectangle tool. And this is the way that I like to do it, but there are numerous different ways to do a gradient on Photoshop. This, to me, when it goes to print, just seems to be the best option. So let's start. Knowing that I'm going to have, use the marquee tool to measure here, I'm going to have from the top of the door down to the bottom is 49. We know that we could probably get film to wrap all the way across and high on this. So with my rectangle, I'm going to come outside the artboard bound and I'm going to make it gigantic so that when I go to crop, I don't have any issues. For my fill, for my rectangle, I will use this. I will eyedrop the pink that I somewhat color match to that. When I go to print, I will more than likely get an exact color match. This way it matches as close as possible to this paint. So now I have my rectangle. I don't like to work with a smart object rectangle, so I will right click, rasterize the layer, and now I can pretty much treat this as a shape. From there, I take my eraser tool, my size, I jack it all the way up to 5,000 pixels, hardness of 0. This gives me the ability to give me a clean gradient straight down. I like to hold shift at the top, left click, drag. I still see a faint line there. I'm going to drag back, and now I have a clean gradient. So from here, I'm going to hold shift. It might be opposite on your computer to where your transform tools are different. But I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to bring it right about to here. This way I know that if there is any gradient left here, it'll still continue to black here. We're not wrapping the fender. We're only going to wrap half. We're going to wrap this full door and the rest of the vehicle is going to get wrapped. Maybe not the hatch, maybe not the roof, but as for now, this is how it's going to be. So from here, I can hold control and I'm still in my transform. So if I was here and I click here, I can hold control. You can see my transform dots, squares are there. And now I can angle gradient to be just like that. I'm going to bring it back up. And now I'm going to stretch it just a little bit more, give it a cleaner gradient. And as long as right in here, I'm not seeing any issues with this door panel, they can put a seam here. This fender can stay black. This will be that. This will get, the film will get cut off at this door. Pillar more than likely is going to get wrapped with this door panel because I will make a seam from there. So, get off my transform, come in here, bring it on down, and now we have a simple fade wrap. I'm going to bring it back just a hair. These handles, not sure if the client is going to wrap them. As for now, we have a simple design fade wrap. I'm going to take this, Control C, Control V, apologies for the dog. Now, when I brought that in, let me make this known. I bring this in, I copy it, and I paste it. I paste it as pixels. When I paste it, it comes in like that. Hit enter, come down, and now I'm set. And that should be good. So For now, this is part one. I will continue with part two in a following video.